And everybody's looking for a great forecast for Halloween. It looks like it shouldn't be too bad.
Yeah, I think we will see some rain on Baker's Night, Todd, but Thursday, if you have activities planned on Halloween, I think the weather will cooperate. We should see a lot of sunshine. It gets a little bit cooler towards the back half of the week, though. We do have periods of rain possible late Tuesday all the way up through Wednesday, so I think that'll be our best chance to see rain here during the new work week. So unfortunately, that means probably some periods of rain out there for the kids trick-or-treating on Baker's Night. Today, beautiful, great fall day out there. Temperatures are still hanging on to the upper 60s now as we head into the 5 o'clock hour, almost 6 o'clock hour. A little bit of a wind today out of the south at about 13 miles per hour. Those winds only get stronger as we go into Monday and Tuesday. Temperatures already about 10 degrees warmer than this same time yesterday. We'll jump up another 10 degrees from today for tomorrow's high temperatures, well above average for this time of year. Wind gusts today were as strong as 30, maybe 35 miles per hour across portions of the state, especially central, north central into the northern tier of Iowa. We will continue to see these wind gusts as high as 35 miles per hour throughout the day on Monday. The rest of tonight is quiet. Some clouds build in. We'll be mild, though. We'll drop back into the mid-50s by daybreak tomorrow. A little bit of cloud cover to begin the day here tomorrow, but overall should be a mix of sun and clouds here as we head into your Monday. The fire danger concern will persist as we go into Monday and Tuesday, along with the strong winds and the warmer temperatures. And then the rain gets here by Wednesday for Baker's Night. Again, I think Thursday should be a-okay. Here's what it looks like as far as the winds. They're going to be strong tomorrow with gusts to about 30 miles per hour throughout tomorrow afternoon and evening. Stronger winds get here overnight Monday into early Tuesday morning. This is around 10 a.m. Tuesday. Most of the state looking at gusts to about 35, maybe even 40 miles per hour on Tuesday. So it's going to be a blustery day to begin the work week, not only Monday, but also Tuesday. And then finally, those winds will subside once we get through Wednesday. Wednesday will still probably be breezy, but definitely on Thursday should be a little bit quieter as far as the winds are concerned. Nothing really happening on our futurecast until we get into Wednesday. Tuesday, some clouds at times. We head into the day on Wednesday. We'll start off dry. Extra clouds will build in by Wednesday afternoon and evening, and then the rain gets here probably towards the second half of the day on Wednesday. And we'll be dealing with maybe some heavy pockets of rain and maybe some thunderstorms as well. So kind of a mixed bag here as we go into the first part of the work week, a little bit calmer by Thursday and Friday. Tonight's forecast drops us back into the upper 40s to low 50s. Tomorrow we'll take it up near 80, a breezy day with a mix of sun and clouds. We head into the 8-day forecast. We'll keep the rain around for Baker's Night. Thursday and Friday looking great, very fall-like, lots of sunshine, cooler temps, and then we're back to a little bit of rain chance, at least that potential for Saturday and Sunday.